All right, so going with the rest of the Jeep, removing all the red we can, we're gonna replace the Warren logo here with the black logo to match everything else we've done to the Jeep. And we picked up the logos from our friends over at Underground Graphics, and I'll show you those in just a second. All right, so these are the decals we got from Underground Graphics that will go over the original Warren logo. That's the one for the winch, and this is for the Fairlead, but our winch has the polished Fairlead, so that won't work with it. That's for the black Fairlead that has the red Warren sticker on it. So we'll use some rubbing alcohol to clean up the original Warren logo on the winch. We'll apply this, and it should be easy as that. So let's get out in the garage and install it now. So first we're just gonna hit it with some rubbing alcohol, just to make sure it's clean. Get it all cleaned up real quick. All right, so it should be as simple as peeling this off. And then we'll just peel it off and we should be done. There you go. Now it's blacked out. If you guys want to black out your Warren logo on your Zeon winch, go to undergroundgraphics.com. I'll leave a link in the description so it's easy to get to. It looks great. Takes that red logo, blacks it out, matches everything else we did. Hopefully this helps you guys. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.